Are you writing your UI state styles using React? Then you are doing it wrong. Today, I am going to show you how easy it is to create many states with no React client-side code at all. The only thing we need to use is Tailwind CSS. But before that, look closely at the example using React states. We have a div with two buttons in it. The main red button has hover, press, and focus styles attached to it, and a disable interaction button which makes clicking the red button impossible. But the problem is that we are triggering them using React use state. If you are more than a junior, you already know why it is a bad idea. These events and states make it more complicated than it should be for a single button. Now we will build the same implementation with only Tailwind CSS. For now, we have our green button in which we want to create other visual states for. Let's start with a simple onHover effect. For that, simply use hover class followed by the styling you want to apply when hovered. As you see, it's working just like that. Now with active state, the rule is the same. Write an active class with the style you want to apply to that state. Now the focus state, where we will apply the green ring around our button when it is focused. And again, it is that easy to recreate half of the styles from the previous example without using any React client-side code. But what about disabling this button? Without React, it is kinda tricky, but it does the thing similarly. First, we need to create a checkbox input with peer class and a specific ID and hidden attribute to make it invisible to the user. Then add the peer checked class on our button with pointer events. None to disable all pointer events when the checkbox is checked. Then in our disable interaction button, create a label inside with HTML4 attribute and our checkbox ID in it. And now we see that toggling the button will result in a style similar to disabled. For the last cool thing in Tailwind, we have a group class which works similarly to peer, but it is applied to the parent element. We can create hover styles for any other element while the parent is being hovered. Just use group hover class followed by any style you want to apply for that state, and you are good to go. And just like that, now you know how to create cool styles based on any state of the element, and how to create a group and peer to level up your Tailwind styles. If you consider this video helpful, please subscribe and leave a like. See you in the next one.